Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. This is part 3 or the last part of the 2 colors bag tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make the upper part of bag using spiral single crochet. Now let's start. Okay, to make this upper part, I will use this brown thread. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Make 1 single crochet in this 1 stitch. Then put a stitch marker on the first single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. 1 single crochet in this stitch. 1 single crochet in this next 1 stitch. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet again. 1 single crochet. Keep making 1 single crochet. Okay, now put the blue thread behind and keep making 1 single crochet in every stitch until you meet the beginning point. The first rounds of spiral single crochet is made using the hook that I use for the entire project. Okay, now to make the work easy, I'll cut this thread. Then I'll continue the work until I meet the beginning point. 1 single crochet in every stitch. This is 1 last single crochet for this first round. Okay, I will take off the stitch marker. Then I will change this hook. This one is a smaller one, 2.00 millimeter. Make 1 single crochet and put a stitch marker on the first stitch. Then I will make 3 more rounds of spiral single crochet. 1 single crochet in every stitch. One single crochet. This is the first round of spiral single crochet. This is 1 last single crochet of the first round. After making 4 rounds of spiral single crochets, take out the stitch marker you put at the beginning point. After this, Find 4 good positions on the right and on the left side of bag and put a stitch marker on each of them. Do it like this. This is the first stitch marker. This is the second one. Then, find a good positions for the third stitch marker. And this one is the last stitch marker. Then, make spiral single crochet again and make twice single crochet decrease on each of the stitch markers. These are normal single crochets. 1 single crochet in every stitch. One single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 last single crochet before the stitch marker. Now, take off the stitch marker and make single crochet decrease. This is the first single crochet decrease. Then, make 1 more single crochet decrease. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitches. Make twice single crochet decrease on the stitch marker, twice single crochet decrease on the stitch marker, and twice single crochet decrease on this last stitch marker. Now, continue the work. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 last single crochet, take off the stitch marker and make twice single crochet decrease. This is the first single crochet decrease, and this one is the last single crochet decrease. After that, make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches until you meet the beginning point. This is the beginning point. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch. Have a look. This is the sign of the beginning point. Make 1 single crochet until here. For the last part, make 1 back loop slip stitch on every stitch until you meet the beginning point. This is the beginning point. Make a regular slip stitch. Then, cut the thread. You can have this leftover thread inside the bag either using tapestry needle or using smaller crochet hook. This is what the bag looks like. It looks so wonderful. Finally, attach O-rings on the right and on the left side of bag. Make it like this. Okay, then with another one. Put the handle or side of the handle on the edge of the O-ring. Do it like this. This is another one. Tie it up on the O-ring. Finally done. Have a look. This is what the inside of bag looks like. The result looks so gorgeous and so amazing. I hope you like it. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next project. Have a good day and happy crochet!